We're here in the glass house at the Burden Botanic Gardens, and we are enjoying these beautiful giant air plants. Now these are classified as epiphytes or air plants. They are actually related to Spanish moss and ball moss that we all know and find in our trees outdoors. Now this giant air plant is actually native to areas in North America, Florida and Georgia for instance, and these actually get all of their nutrients and water from the air. That's why they're called air plants. So these love humidity. They do not like direct sunlight. You would actually find these in the trees, very similar to Spanish moss, but they've adapted these here and put them in these beautiful little hanging lanterns, and this one is actually aged to maturity and has produced a flower similar to something you might see on a bromeliad. They do have some root type structures, but again, they get all of their nutrients and water from the air. So these are great for patios and indoors. You can jazz them up by putting them in beautiful little displays like this. You can hang them in the air and it just creates a beautiful decor, but also brings plants into the home. Spray these very frequently if you have them indoors, but if they're outside, they're just gonna love our climate here in Louisiana of warm temperatures and humidity. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.